How to follow announcements on Discord. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are in a pretty decently big server, because usually those servers have them. And I'll just explain straight away that you cannot follow every single channel, like announcement channel or whatever. It has to be a channel with a specific icon. So it has to be channels, this sort of like speaker icon, and the events, shoutouts, giveaways, notifications, and news all have them. And that basically means that it is an announcement channel. So if I, for example, click on news, all the way at the bottom, you can see follow. If I go to, for example, notifications, you can also see follow. Go to giveaways, you can also see follow. Shoutouts, follow. Events, follow. So you can, for example, click on follow, and then here you can actually send this to a specific server that you own as well, and then select a channel in order to follow this channel, basically. So yeah, like I said, you can only follow channels that have this icon. That's how to follow announcements on Discord. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.